Good evening, guys. This is Tina, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about JoinPoint. Okay, but this one is not the terminology we talk about JoinPoint. This one is talking about JoinPoint Object. Okay, let's give a scenario. In our advice, okay, here, public class, we have a log aspect, right? And here we have a public void log, and this is our advice. Okay, you add annotation before, after, or anything you want. And in the advice, optionally, you can have a join point object. Okay, this one is optional, but if here you are using around has a special one called a proceeding join point. That one is not optional. So join point optional is for before, after, what's all the others? Okay, after returning, right? After returning and after throwing. Okay, when you apply those advice type, you can optionally have a join point. So what this object can provide, what kind of features to you? Okay, join point has several methods. Okay, let's give one example. Okay, let's give one example. This is our log aspect, and then suppose I have a public class customer service. Okay, and here I have a public string. Get arguments, get a target. You cannot get a return type. Okay, void set value, set name. Okay, and here you have a string A, string B. Okay, and suppose you point at apply for all the methods, and then we have a public class app. Okay, and you have a main method here, and here inside the main method you will call customer service dot set name. The first one is xing. Okay, how can I move a little bit? Can I move to I cannot move to side. Okay. Oh, I can move. Okay, move a little bit. Okay, the first name is xing. Next one is miss. Okay, so when you have a join point, what you can get? Okay, what you can get. So here we draw a diagram based on the code we wrote. Okay, here we have app. Okay, app will have a proxy here, right? Okay, and then we will have a log aspect, PECT, and here have a log, and this one is a JP, which is a join point, right? And then we have a customer service, and here we have a set name. So first, your join point is here. Okay, this is the part of your join point. Okay, this is a join point. You are here. Okay, you are here. Now, if you from here you call in the log join point, you call jp dot get this. What's gonna return? Okay, jp dot get this will return the class actually call this set name. Okay, call this target method. See here, in my app, I call set name, right? So when you have a jp dot get this method, okay, this method return an object. And in this case, it's gonna return app to you. Got it? From here. And next one, if you call jp.getSignature, jp.getSignature. Okay, this one will return a signature object for you. And from signature, you can get the name. It will say, if you're using dot get name, it will return set name, this string. So from here, if you call get.signature, you can get this name inside your device. Okay. Next one, suppose here, when in our app, when we call customer service set name, you give arguments xing and miss, right? And suppose you call get args. Okay, what's gonna return? It's gonna return an object array. Okay, this object array will hold the value how you call this set name. Suppose you pass the set name is miss xing, then this gonna return miss xing as an object array. This is get arguments. The last method provided in the join point is called get target. Okay, get target will be returned where the join point located, which means it's gonna, in our case, it's gonna return service. Okay, because this is our join point, right? The customer service is the target, which it's gonna return customer service object for you at runtime. And by default, this get target will also return object. You have to do downcasting in order to get a customer service. So this is the join point. Okay, join point applied is used along with annotation before, after returning, and after throwing. Okay, if you want to use it, you just put it here. If you don't want to use it, it's optional. Okay, and you provide the methods get this, get arguments, get a signature, and get a target. Use as you want. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.